Hello, hi viewers. Today we are going to introduce about Dahua wireless alarm kit. This is the package where we are getting one control panel wireless and one PR detector, one door detector, door sensor we can call it as, and wireless key fob. You can see the physical demonstration of the units here which are open. This is door detector, this is the key fob, and this is the PR sensor. Okay, and this is the additional accessory. This is the indoor siren. Actually, our Dahua wireless alarm kit can be configured in the DMSS application, where you can simply configure and see the alerts and notification on your application itself. So the siren is additional accessory. If you want, you can purchase additional. This is indoor siren. We have another model also for outdoor siren for high noise and audio. So we are going to show you the demonstration of how it is going to useful in the application. Let's see how you already configured for your easiness, and we are going to show you in the application first. Here is the DMS application where the wireless alarm kit is already pre-configured, and we are showing the units which are already connected. You can see the battery status of the unit and the wireless connectivity status, door detector, siren, PR sensor, key fob. These are all connected to our control hub, and we can make it current status is disarm. Now we are going to arm for you and show. With the key fob we are going to make the status as on. Once the connectivity is on, the PR sensors will get enabled, and any kind of motion will be immediately activated and it will trigger the alarm. So now it is away status. Now any kind of movement which are going to happen in front of the door sensor or the PR sensor will immediately alert. So you can heard what kind of noise is coming, and the notifications are also coming. Alarm open detected, and we can make it off. Okay, now it is turned off. This is the demonstration. Hope you like it. It is easy to configure. We will make a next video about configuration part. Thank you very much.